Hey guys, this is Mr. Jai from Sunny Slope. So this week I decided to teach you guys how to make a Spider-Man mask. So feel free to make your favorite superhero mask or villain if you like bad guys. And I hope you guys find this useful. So let's get to the video. Okay, so the materials you're gonna need is some scissors, color pencils, just depending on what mask you're gonna be making. So I might be using black to outline it and then white to make the lines. And then again going, depending on what superhero you're gonna make, the color converting paper of it. So since I am gonna be making Spider-Man, I'm gonna be using color red. And then to tie it up after you finish the mask, some string to kind of make like the little wrap around the mask so it hangs up. And if you want, you can also use your ruler, just like make the lines better. So let's get started. Okay, so to get started, depending on what size of the mask you're going to make it, either fold it this way or like a hot dog shape, like this. But yeah, so just depending on your size, I'll be folding it this way like that. So you kind of line it up and then press down. So this is going to be a quick tip. So instead of you guys outlining the shape on both sides and kind of guessing like the size of each side, you fold it like this and then just kind of outline it on this side, and then with the scissors you're gonna cut it out. Then once you open it back up, it should be symmetrical on both sides. So you just kind of go like that, and then Spider-Man has like your rounded shape mask. So you just kind of go along. Also, don't start from here like up, because it's gonna leave like a little dent on both sides. So you just kind of imagine you're gonna be aligning the whole mask, but on one side. So just kind of start like that, and then kind of start to curve it at the bottom. Something like that. Okay, and then if you flip it over, so just imagine it's on both sides. So I'll be outlining the eyes first. So for this, it's gonna be a little more tricky, on the tricky side for eyes, but just kind of start with a pointy end. So just kind of make sure it's a little bit on top of the middle part. Just kind of start with a pointy end like that, and then curve it, go like that, and then curve it at the top. And then this one, just make it down, and then towards the top, just curve it. Something like that. If you want, you can make the eyes a little bit more bigger so it's more symmetrical on the face. But I'm maybe leaving it like that, and then just kind of outlining it with a pencil to make it more bigger. So when I cut it out, okay, and then he also has like the black outline, but I'm gonna be leaving that towards the end. So you just kind of poke it with like your scissors or something pointing. So you start cutting it. So you just poke it, make sure it goes through, and then with your scissors just cut it out. So you something like that, and then just cut out this part to the outer outline. So as you can see, I'm not an artist, but it came out like a Spider-Man mask. So if you want, since it's like a little more like big on the bottom, you could use outline it again and cut it towards here so it's easier. So I'm gonna be doing that, so it's more symmetrical to it. So you just follow the same line. So just like that, and then just cut it. So use something like that, and then I'm gonna be getting a white color marker to make the outlines of the little webs. So for this, if you want, you could use the scissors, or you could draw it out on your own, but just kind of start to line it up and start to do it. So just kind of draw one in the middle like that. And then just kind of start making spider webs all around. So maybe going from here to the top like that, and then curving it out. Just kind of repeat the same thing on this side. And then you just kind of repeat it all along. So like from here, and then you start to make the outline on the outside first. So here's the spider web thing. So now with this, get it, and kind of outline the outer shape of the eyes. So you just kind of follow the same half of your eyes, but just a little bit more wider. So you just make this top part a bit more pointy. So after you color that in, you just get your string and kind of measure it out around your face, or get a adult help to kind of measure it out. Then you just get your scissors and cut it out. So now you want to flip this, and with tape or glue, just kind of glue like the little edges on the side like that. So I might be using tape for it. So just kind of get some tape and kind of tape it like that. And then you just repeat it for the other side too. Just get your tape and tape it like that. Okay, so there's your Spider-Man mask. So I hope you guys enjoyed and find this useful.